beach music.
Wait, are we doing an audio test?
Whoops.
Yeah.
Okay, Matt. You just give me like a.
Perfect.
Just do like we're on a beach or something, you know?
Alright. You're on a beachhead. You see a man surfing in the water. His board is bright red, and his muscles are completely elaborate, chiseled almost. He has a long black mane whirling in the wind, and you see the sea spray whirling in the air around his board. He's cooler than anyone you've ever seen.
Whoa! That guy's so cool. Do you guys want to go talk to him? I've never met a famous surfer before.
I don't know, Pemba. I'm kind of afraid of surfing. I
Are we
just
doing
don't
it?
know
Are we doing
how.
okay?
Oh, I was.
You guys don't know Pemba yet.
I thought we were just
I
doing
just-
surfer bros.
Yeah.
Are we doing surfer?
Advanced D&D.
I'm gonna go and see if this bra can shred the gnar.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah,
No,
bro.
the way he spins that board is sick. I was talking to a couple of dudes back in
Tennessee,
that one
right?
other place we were at,
Yeah, dude.
Hawaii.
You want to get some snow cones with me, Chad?
Oh,
Dude,
dude.
I would love to do that, Renegade. Let's
Oh,
go.
you're Chad too? Nice to meet you. I'm Chad.
Yo, what's up, Chad? It's me,
Oh, that's so
Chad.
gnarly.
Yo, Jad. Yo, Jad. What's up, bro?
No, I'm fat.
No, I'm talking to Jad over here. And
Jad,
Justin.
So, like, I
Yo.
actually just wanted to get snow cones with Chad. Like,
Which one though?
like
There's two
you,
of
Chad.
us.
Like not something gay or anything, but like, you know.
But what if Thad came too and we just make it a 4-pop?
Yeah, bro. I'm gonna go.
Yeah, I could go for a 4-pop.
Yeah,
Guys,
honestly, bro.
Come on, my
Or
dad gave me his
alright.
credit card. We can put it all on credit and just have a nice day.
Alright, as long as nobody orders grape, because I don't fuck with grape snow cones.
Honestly,
So
the
Pop
color
on credit.
offends me.
No grape.
no grape.
Let's hit the waves after.
Yo,
Yeah,
that
I'm
fucking
honestly-
guy
I'm-
surfing is pissing me off. Straight up, I don't like him on our beach. I think
Well,
we're
he
gonna have
probably
to
gets
do
grape.
something about it.
Yeah, bro.
You know what? You're right.
After-
Let's grab some snow cones and throw them at him instead.
Heck yeah.
No, bro.
And we
Just
approach
you know what? We can
snow
just
day.
we can catch up to him on the waves, bro, and then just
Yeah, we'll no, yeah,
Good
you're
point,
right. You're
Chad.
right, Thad.
Good
We'll show
point.
we'll show him
Thad.
what is how it's done out on the Nar.
I think I'm gonna like it here. Scene.
End of
Alright,
chapter 1.
Alright, thank you guys
Stage
so
of the
much.
Sword
That's been,
Coast.
that's been the Sword Coast audio test for part 7. Part 6 may be released at some point. You know, if you donate on Patreon, that'll be released to you right away. Yeah.
The lost episode.
Patreon is genius.